Lesson number 10, Equations, practice set 27. From that, question number 5, write the given information as an equation and find its solution. 3 word problems are here. Let's solve one by one. First one, Harba owns some sheep. After selling 34 of them in the market, he still has the 176 sheep. How many sheep did Harba have at first? Harba owns some sheep. Means the whatever number is there, that is not given. From that, he sold 34 sheep in the market. So whatever Harba had sheep, from that he sold 34 and he still has the 176 sheep. After selling, he had 176. So how many sheep did Harba have at first? Means here. So we don't know this number. So we will consider, let the number of sheep with Harba at first be x. Means this sum sheep will be x. So according to the given information, number of sheep with Harba at first means this minus 34 because he sold it. So we have to subtract it. Minus number of sheep sold in the market is equal to the remaining sheep. Number of sheep left with Harba. Let's express with the equation x minus 34 is equal to 176. So equating method now, keep the variable only on the left hand side. To remove this minus 34, again we should add the 34 to both sides. X minus 34 plus 34 is equal to 176 plus 34. Minus 34 plus 34 will give 0. So x plus 0 is equal to 210. So x is equal to 210. Thus, there were 210 sheep with Harba at first. Second example, Sakshi prepared some jam at home and filled it in bottles. Again, some jam word is used here. Actually, how much, that is not mentioned. After giving away 7 of the bottles to her friends, she still has the 12 for herself. How many bottles had she made in all? If she filled 250 gram of jam in each bottle, what was the total weight of the jam she made? Here, two questions are asked. That what was the total weight of the jam? What we have to find out? The total weight of the jam. And second question, how many bottles had she made? Means number of bottles and the weight of the total weight of the jam we have to find out here. Now what we have to consider? Let the total number of jam bottles made by Sakshi be x, because we don't know how many bottles she had made. So we will consider it as x. Then from that she giving away 7 bottles to her friends. She gave the bottles, means we have to subtract it from the total number. So according to the given information, total number of jam bottles made by Sakshi minus number of jam bottles given to her friends, means 7 bottles, is equal to number of jam bottles left with Sakshi. This number is given in the example, that she still has the 12 bottles. She gave 7 bottles. Now she had the 12 bottles left with her. Express in the form of the equation x minus 7 is equal to 12. Equating method again, x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 12 plus 7. X plus 0 is equal to 19. Therefore, x is equal to 19. So, the total number of jam bottles made by Sakshi are 19. Two questions are asked. This is the answer of the first question, that the number of bottles. Now, we have to find out the total weight of the jam. So, what is given here? That in one bottle, she filled 250 grams of jam. So, in 19 bottles, because total number of bottles is 19. So, in 19 bottles, how much jam she? Now we have to find out. So, weight of the jam in each bottle is equal to 250 gram. Therefore, total weight of the jam is equal to weight of the jam in each bottle multiplied by number of bottles. Weight of the one bottle is 250 gram multiplied by 19 bottles. Just we have find it. So, after multiplication, product is 4750 gram. Convert this into kilogram. How to convert it? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, and these are the grams. So, divide this number with the 1000. So, we can write here 4.75. After dividing, we will get here 4.75. Thus, the total weight of the jam made by Sakshi is 4750 grams or 4.75 kilogram. Archana bought some kilograms of wheat. She requires 12 kilogram per month and she got enough wheat milled for 3 months. After that, she had 14 kilograms left. How much wheat had Archana bought altogether? Let the weight of the wheat bought by Archana altogether be x kilogram. She bought some kilograms of wheat is given. Again, how many kilograms? That number is not given. We should consider it as a x here. And she requires the 12 kilogram per month. And she got enough wheat milled for 3 months. So, in 1 month, 12 kilogram. In 2 months, 24 kilogram. 12 2s are 24. And in 3 months, 12 3s are 36 kilograms. After that, she had 14 kilograms left. How much wheat had Archana bought altogether? That we have to find out. According to the given condition, weight of the wheat bought by Archana altogether minus weight of the wheat used in 3 months, that 36 kilogram, is equal to amount of wheat left with Archana, that is 14 kilogram. Let's express in the form of the equation x kilogram means the total wheat, from that minus 12 kilogram into 3 months. In 1 month 12 kilogram, in 3 months, so 12 into 3 is equal to 14 kilograms which left with her. X minus 36, 12 3s are 36 is equal to 14. Use the equating method here. X minus 36 plus 36 is equal to 14 plus 36. X plus 0 is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. Thus, the weight of the wheat bought by Archana altogether is 50 kilograms. Understood it?